Question number 1. Which test evaluates the efficiency of gaseous exchange? The right option is option A, ABG. Question number 2. The earliest sign of hypoxemia is. The right option is option D, restlessness and irritability. Question number 3. Normal SpO2 range in a healthy adult is. The right option is option D, 95 to 100%. Question number 4. The primary position to improve ventilation and respiratory distress is. The right option is option B, semi-fallers. Question number 5. The most accurate method for monitoring oxygenation is. The right option is option D, pulse oximetry. Question number 6. ABG showing low PaO2 and normal PaCO2 suggests. The right option is option C, pure hypoxemia. Question number 7. Which breath sound is heard in airway obstruction? The right option is option C, wheeze. Question number 8. Which oxygen delivery device provides the highest concentration? The right option is option A, non-rebreather mask. Question number 9. Chest physiotherapy is contraindicated in. The right option is option D, rib fractures. Question number 10. Which finding indicates improvement in gas exchange? The right option is option C, warm pink skin and reduced cyanosis. Question number 11. Incentive spirometry primarily helps to. The right option is option B, expand alveoli and prevent atherosclerosis. Question number 12. Priority nursing action in acute respiratory distress is. The right option is option B, administer high flow oxygen. Question number 13. In COPD patients, oxygen should be administered. The right option is option D, at lowest possible concentration. Question number 14. A sign of carbon dioxide retention is. The right option is option B, confusion and drowsiness. Question number 15. Priority intervention for acute asthma attack is. The right option is option D, bronchodilator inhaler. Question number 16. Which condition may cause impaired gas exchange? The right option is option B, pulmonary edema. Question number 17. Cyanosis appears when deoxygenated hemoglobin exceeds. The right option is option C, 5 g per dl. Question number 18. A patient with respiratory failure type 2 will show. The right option is option C, high PaCO2. Question number 19. A patient with pneumonia will most likely have. The right option is option B, increased tactile firmness. Question number 20. Clubbing of fingers is a sign of. The right option is option A, chronic hypoxia. Question number 21. The most sensitive indicator of respiratory deterioration is. The right option is option D, ABG changes. Question number 22. A patient with oxygen saturation of 82% requires. The right option is option B, immediate supplemental oxygen. Question number 23. Primary nursing action for dyspnea is. The right option is option D, sit patient in high Fowler's position. Question number 24. Hypoventilation leads to. The right option is option B, respiratory acidosis. Question number 25. Hyperventilation leads to. The right option is option A, respiratory alkalosis. Question number 26. Which sign indicates severe hypoxia? The right option is option D, bradycardia. Question number 27. COPD patients retain CO2 because of. The right option is option A, decreased elasticity of lungs. Question number 28. A patient with impaired gas exchange is at highest risk for. The right option is option B, respiratory acidosis. Question number 29. Stridor indicates. The right option is option B, upper airway obstruction. Question number 30. Which condition may cause impaired gas exchange? The right option is option B, pulmonary edema.